Hey guys, what's going on? It's me, Yasin, and I'm going to be taking a vacation within the next 2 days. Actually, by the time you guys are seeing this video, then I'm already on vacation. So I decided to put together my own travel tech kit. And I've done this before in the past, so this is going to be volume 3. And I was going for a very minimal and very light tech kit this time around because I didn't want to take with me a bunch of stuff that I was not going to be using, so consider this minimal edition. Now, if you want to see where I'm going and all the adventurous stuff that I get into, then definitely check out my vlog channel that I have with my wife. It's called youtube.com/YNA Unplugged. I'll put it down below in the description, right below that like button. It'll be the first link. Go over there, show some support, and see all the crazy adventures we get into. But with all that said, let's jump into my Travel Tech Kit Volume 3 Minimal Edition. So we're going to start things off with the actual bag, and this is a bag that I found on Amazon. It's from a company called T5. And what I really liked about this bag is just the two-tone color that it had, and it was also had a little bit of leather in there. So I just love that combination of that leather brown look with the black, and I really like this bag. Now, it's not a really big bag. It only measures by 3.5 inches wide by 9.5 inches high. So I feel like this is the perfect size for everything that I needed in a bag. When you open up the bag, you'll see that it's got a top compartment and a bottom compartment, and the bottom compartment actually comes with a couple of those little Velcro dividers. So I divided that section of the bag into 3 sections. And in the first section, what I put in is my power brick. And I'm using the power brick that came with my 15-inch MacBook Pro with a touch bar. That is a USB-C power brick. It can charge my MacBook. It could also charge my Samsung Galaxy S9, which is the phone that I'm using. And it's just great to see that there is one charger that can charge all my devices. And then on the other side, I have my portable battery bank. And for my portable battery bank, I'm using the 10,000 milliamp Power Core 2 from Anker. And the reason is because 10,000 milliamp is just the perfect amount of juice that I need on a daily charge when I'm traveling. And also it's the latest and greatest from Anker. And it has Quick Charge 3.0 and also their new Power IQ 2.0. And basically that's just fancy language for it's going to charge your devices super fast. Now, if we look into the middle section right there, that one I actually sectioned off to be a little bit smaller than the 2 side sections. And the only thing that I'm carrying in there is another wall adapter, which is a regular USB-A wall adapter, but this one also features a Quick Charge 3.0. It is from a company on Amazon. They come in a 3-pack for under 20 bucks then, and you can never have too many wall adapters, so I carry an extra one with me. The next item that I have in there is a USB-C to HDMI adapter, and I really like this one because of how compact it is. Remember, we're going for a very minimal look. This one has the USB-C wrapping around it, and once you unwrap it, then you can plug the USB-C into your MacBook, and the other side, any HDMI cable. And the reason I carry this one with me is because sometimes when you go to hotels, you don't really like what's on TV and their movie selection is really old and dated. So I carry with me a hard drive that has all my favorite TV shows, and I just plug in the HDMI cable from the back of the TV and I can play anything that I want or shows that I like. Now, switching over to the top part of the bag, this is where I keep all my cables. So the first cable you'll see is a USB-C to USB-C cable, and this is basically to charge my MacBook and also to charge my phone. And then the other cable that I have is a lightning cable, and that's because recently I started also carrying an iPhone. I have it right here with me. This is the iPhone 8 in red, and the reason I chose this particular one is because I actually like the size of this one. I feel like all the other iPhones are too big for my hand. So moving on with the other cables that I have in there, it's one other cable, and this is a USB-C to micro USB. And you're probably wondering, why do you need a USB-C to micro USB? And that's because the battery bank, the one from Anker, the Power Core 2, it's recharged with micro USB. So I use this cable to plug into the wall adapter, the Apple wall adapter. Once that side is USB-C, and then micro USB I plug into the battery, and that recharges the battery. And then in the last section of my bag, in the top right corner, this is where I carry my portable hard drive, and I'm using the Samsung T5 Portable SSD. This is a 500 gig hard drive, and I did a full video on this portable hard drive. So if you want to see that video, I'll leave it down below in the description, and you guys can definitely check it out. And I think this is the best portable hard drive because of its size and how fast it performs. So that's what's in my travel tech kit. I think I covered all the basics and I have everything that I need. Now, if you're interested in any of these products, then I'll leave a link down below in the description where you can check them out. If you liked the video, definitely give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave me a comment down below in the comment section. If you're new here, consider subscribing to my channel. And also don't forget, check out my vlog channel to see all the crazy adventures that I get into. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, stay plugged.